Hey everyone, welcome back. You can get paid for visiting this great website. You can earn more than 50 cents every single minute, and you can make money every single day just by watching YouTube videos. This site is legit, and you won't regret watching this video, so stick around until the end so you don't miss any steps. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel. We upload daily videos on ways to make money online with some of our favorite methods and websites, so you definitely don't want to miss any updates. Okay, first, you need to make sure that you have a YouTube account. So make sure you sign up for a free YouTube account if you haven't already. Also, remember that for you to get paid from this method, you need to have a PayPal account. It's one of the most recognizable companies in the world, so make sure you have a free PayPal account so you can get paid from this method. Now, once you have both of those things set up and ready to go, you want to head on over to PicoWorkers.com. PicoWorkers is a website which you can earn money just from watching videos. You don't need any experience to do this method. You want to click on Freelance and Earn, and you can see the latest completed tasks and payments made to users all over the world. And you could be next. You can see some users are earning hundreds and even thousands of dollars. You can see this person earned over $1,000, over $100, over $700. You won't get rich with this method, but you can make some extra money. And by combining this method with our other make money videos, you can really start to see your earnings skyrocket. So, you want to go over to sign up and fill out the required information. Then, click sign up. Now you can log into your new freelance account and make sure you switch to worker on this tab here so you can see the jobs available. Now you can see all these available jobs. On the right hand side, you can see the money you could earn from that task. To make money from watching videos, you want to click on category and then click on video marketing. You can see the results are jobs now for watching YouTube videos. They tell you to watch the video and like or subscribe, or both. All you have to do is click on one of these to do what's required, and then you'll get paid. So easy, right? You can see all of these are small amounts of money, but it's watching videos. You don't even need to pay attention to the videos, to be honest, just as long as you follow the instructions they give. So let's click on one of these, and we can see that they require some more information. And after you do that, it gives the instructions. You can see that it tells us to search for this word. So just copy and paste this into YouTube. Find the video with the thumbnail they include. Now you can see the thumbnail, so you know what video to click on. After you watch the video, you can get paid. It's that simple. All you do is submit the proof, which is quick and easy to do, and the instructions to that are below each task. And that's it. It's so simple. We want to help you earn money online, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video so you don't miss any important updates about how you can make money online. Until next time, always reach high.